एक्ट्रेस कौन है?
जैकलीन फर्नांडिस।
जैकलीन फर्नांडिस की स्पेलिंग बोलो।
आलिया भट्ट है, आलिया भट्ट।
I glow. Physically, mentally, financially, emotionally, I glow. It's what I do now. It's what I'm going to keep doing. Just wear some sunglasses so you don't get blinded.